Copenhagen is the colorful and vibrant Danish capital. I decided to start my trip exploring one of the most extravagant places here, Christiania, which is a self-proclaimed free town where it is possible to freely buy or sell and smoke weeds. One step outside of Christiania and it becomes illegal though. For this reason, it is not possible to record it, but I truly recommend a stop here, if not for the weed, just for the suggested scenario. Denmark is also the motherland of Lego. This means it would be outrageous keeping a stop at their flagship store on the Copenhagen High Street. Going around the Danish capital is extremely easy. You have a variety of options you can choose from: walking, bicycling, local transports and much more. One of the places that I liked the most was the library garden, which has a massive fountain where birds, ducks and kids happily play and splash each other. It is so relaxing and quiet, which makes it ideal for a picnic or just a break. Another green area you should absolutely visit is the Botanical Garden, which is almost on the other side of Copenhagen. There is no entrance fee unless you want to visit the Butterfly Garden House, which is actually so worth it. If you fancy seeing Copenhagen from the top, which if you ask me, you definitely should, go to the Nikolai Contemporary Art Center. The many steps to reach it are so worth the view that you will get. After dinner, it's the perfect time to take a glimpse at how the city changes after the sun has set. The light reflects in the canals make the atmosphere absolutely unique. And whether you like it or not, try the Danish ice cream. They put jam and marshmallow cream on top. Definitely unforgettable. The next day begins with a trip on the famous canals. There are so many companies you can choose from. Just go to Nievan, which means New Harbour, and pick one. The whole tour takes approximately 1 hour, and it takes you to almost all the major attractions which the Danish capital has to offer. Remember to bring a scarf but not a hat, because it will fly away. As our guide recommended, it is much better to see the Little Mermaid from a boat rather than from the shore, because at least you can actually see it. Copenhagen houses are very narrow still nowadays because a couple of centuries ago the citizens were paying taxes based on how wide their house was. The reason behind the colorfulness is a little bit funnier. In the 17th century, all sailors were entitled to 10 liters of beers per day, which made it hard to distinguish their homes from one another. It is said that this is also the reason why Denmark lost all its words in the 18th century. As always, the time to go back home comes, and despite the sadness, I'm pretty happy about all the memories I have collected. See you soon!